Do you want to know how to unblock your Paysafe card account? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access your web browser and kindly search for the paysafecard.com/en-gb/support/contact-us, and you will see this page. Under this page, you will see all contact options at a glance. You will see their contact form, which is this button, and under that, you will see their hotline service, which is this number. You can contact their number, and they are available via local time from Monday to Sunday at 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. Also, they have this chatbot right here, which is Ask Lara question regarding your unblocking of your account on your Paysafe card.